POC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company One More. And we have a new pair of wireless earbuds from them, which sound pretty cool actually, because they're the wireless version of these. These are the triple driver in-ear headphones from One More, and they're absolutely one of our favorite models they've ever produced. And see, we even have a little label in here that says triple driver because we're extremely OCD here and we label everything. But what's different is these are the wired ones. They're just wired headphones. They're awesome. They sound amazing. They go good with just about every content you can put them up against. They have a really good range to them. So here it is 2018, and we've taken a step ahead, and those triple drivers are now wireless. And as you can see here, this is one of those around the neck band style designs, you know, kind of the band sits around your neck, and at the tips the wire comes out and leads to your ear. And we can only assume that this sounds just as amazing as the wired one. If so, this should be a major seller for One More. But for today, for this moment, we're gonna open this up, we're gonna see what's inside, we're gonna see what it looks like and what we think. And then hopefully you'll go to POCnetwork.net, where later we'll have a full review on this, letting you know truly what we think, what we like, what we don't like, hopefully nothing in that latter part. And maybe you can figure out if this is something for you. So the first thing you see here is a little plastic window. We'll get rid of that. And the headphones. And of course, the design style of the box itself, they always have this cool Leonardo da Vinci style kind of schematics drawn out, sketched out onto the inside. So you can see as they're designing the headphones, how they put everything together. And then you get your headphones. You got the band and the two wires that come out of the tips and into your ears. We'll pull that out. Underneath the tray that those headphones were stored in, you'll find all of your accessories neatly displayed below. You have all of these different styles of tips to choose from. Looks like you have 9 different sets of tips to customize them to your ear width. You got 8 in here, and then you have one that's already pre-installed on the headphones themselves. And of course, as we always say, you're gonna wanna get the tightest fit possible for your ears while still making sure you have comfort there. So that way you can trap in all your lows, all that bass, so it sounds good, and you can preserve a lot of your range. At the same time, you don't want a lot of pressure in your ears. In this little compartment, we have a drawstring bag to store them in. So it looks like gone are the days for these, since, well, how are you gonna fit that in here? Their only option was a drawstring bag like some of their larger, bulkier headphones, like their over-the-ears, like the VR, VRX, and so forth. Of course, as always, you have their sticker of their mascot, a bear wearing a pair of headphones. You have a fold-out display of some of their other products, talking about what they have to offer. This looks like the first one we've looked at that has all the updated stuff on here, so you have the triple driver over the ears and all sorts of fun stuff in here. Kind of discover who they are and what they have. You have an instruction manual to talk about how to use the headphones. You have a compartment within a compartment right here, which is a little bit difficult to pull out, it looks like. In the middle, you have a USB 3.1 Type-C to USB cable for charging the headphones with. That's good, so you can get a nice and fast charge with them. And actually, it's not a compartment within a compartment, it's just a fancy layered section of the box there where that slides into. So you have, again, the USB cable for charging them. You have 9 pairs of tips to customize them to your ear width. You have a drawstring bag and some documentation and a sticker. So now for the headphones themselves. The headphones are super flexible. This is a lot like most any of these that we've ever tested out. Like the Liner, I believe, is one of the brands. Liner. I don't want to say their name wrong there. But you have that flexible rubberized neck band so that they can go around your neck. They're comfortable. It's also, because of the rubberized grip, it's gonna help stick to your skin with, you know, instead of sliding around. And then you just simply pop them in your ear. Good for at the gym, for a good run. And all of your controls are on the left side, it looks like, right here. You have volume up and down, a little toggle. You have play pause button right here, and a power button right here for turning the headphones on and off. You have the USB port, which is tucked at the very tip of that one. So you just pull the little flap out and you have the USB port for charging them with. And that's it. There is no taking these wired, obviously. These are meant only for wireless. And again, these are the wireless One More triple driver headphones. These are brand new, just coming to the market. So go check out POCnetwork.net, see what we have to say about this later on. We will have a full review and let you know what we think. We're quite excited about this because we expect them to sound just as good, hopefully, as the regular wired triple driver headphones. These things are fantastic. They sound great. We can never stop bragging about these. These made it to our editor's choice, and they've remained in our top list for quite a while now. So good job, One More, and hopefully you can do it again. So again, everybody, go check out the website at POCnetwork.net, see what we think later on. And as always, we thank you for watching. And if you liked what you've seen, don't forget to subscribe below where we have a link where you can follow us, where we have much more to come. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it. So, now we have 2018. It's been some time since they released the 2007, and now it's 2018. Sorry.